Chopard Alpine Eagle 41SL Cadence E8HF. Main features are: Chopard Alpine Eagle 41SL Cadence E8HF is a limited edition, 250 pieces, luxury sports watch introduced in 2019. Notable for being the lightest in the Alpine Eagle collection. It features a 41mm case, crown, bezel, dial, and movement crafted from ceramicized titanium, a lightweight, durable material developed for aerospace with a ceramic-like hardness. The case, with a 9.75mm thickness, has a bead-blasted finish, a screw-down crown with a compass rose, and 100 meters water resistance. The pitch-black titanium dial, PVD-coated with an eagle's iris-inspired sunburst pattern, includes orange accents on the seconds hand, minute track, and logos, enhancing its sporty aesthetic. Powered by the COSC-certified Chopard 01.14C high-frequency automatic movement, it beats at 8 Hz, 57,600 VPH, offering superior precision and a 60-hour power reserve despite its high beat rate. The movement's main plate and bridges are also ceramicized titanium, with silicon components reducing friction. The watch comes with a black or orange rubber strap or a black calfskin strap with orange stitching, secured by a ceramicized titanium pin buckle. Priced at approximately $25,000, $26,800, or $25,000, $26,800, it's available at Chopard boutiques. Chopard Alpine Eagle 41SL Cadence HF is a remarkable timepiece that stands out within the Alpine Eagle collection for its focus on high-frequency precision and lightweight, cutting-edge materials. SL in the name stands for super light, and 8HF refers to its 8 Hz high-frequency movement. Strap and wearability strap options. The Alpine Eagle 41SL Cadence E8HF is typically offered on a comfortable black or orange rubber strap with a titanium insert, further reducing weight and enhancing its sporty character. A black calfskin leather strap with orange stitching is also available. Buckle. It is secured by a ceramicized titanium pin buckle. Ergonomics. The integrated strap and case design ensure a comfortable and secure fit on the wrist.